students. Now this is the lecture number 1 for the chapter probability distribution. Now from name of this itself, it is clear that it is a distribution of probabilities. Distribution of probabilities. Example, 3 balanced coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability distribution of getting heads up. Now when 3 coins are tossed, then sample space S is given by S is equal to head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, 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 tail, 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 head, tail, 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 head, and tail, tail, tail. Any one event is going to happen out of these 8 possibilities or 8 events. Therefore, NS is equal to 8. NS is equal to 8. Capital X is a random variable, denotes the number of heads. Capital X is called as a random variable. Now, capital X can take the values either there is no head for a particular event or particular time, or 1 head, 2 heads, 3 heads. Now, when there is a 0 head, when all the TTT you will get, that is one time event out of 8. When you will get 1 head, that is a TTH, THT and HTT, 3 times out of 8. When you will get 2 heads, THH, HTH and HHT, and when you will get 3 heads, only one time HHH, all the 3 heads. Therefore, when I am writing capital X as a 0, 1, 2, 3 number of possible heads, and PX their respective probabilities. PX is a respective probabilities, and this tabular representation is called as a distribution of probabilities or probability distribution. 0 head or no head is 1 out of 8, therefore 1 by 8 probability. 1 head 3 times out of 8 times 3 by 8 probability. 2 heads 3 times out of 8 3 by 8 probability, and 3 heads only 1 time out of 8 1 by 8 is the probability. Such distribution is called as a, or tabular form is called as a probability distribution. And the speciality of this probability distribution is that 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8 plus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8 is equal to 1. Always addition should be equal to 1. And individual probabilities always are less than or equal to 1, which I am writing, that is a Px is a less than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 0, and summation of Px is equal to 1. Another example, obtain the probability distribution of the number of 6s in 2 tosses of a fair coin. Means coin is tossed, dice is thrown 2 times. When the fair die is tossed twice, then the number of sample space is 36 outcomes, 36 possible outcomes, and sample points are 36. N is equal to 36. Capital X number of 6s, 6 will come on the upper surface. Then there will be possibility that no 6 will be there on the upper surface. 1 times 6 out of the 2 dice, and both the dice will show 6 2 times. Now when X is equal to 0, the outcomes will be either you will get first die 1, second die 1, like that, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4 and 5, 5. All these times there is no 6 on any one die, and these are the 25 possible outcomes out of 36. Therefore probability is 25 by 36. Equation number 1. Then we will consider any one die will show the 6, that is 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4 and 6, 5. Any one die will show the 6, and there are 10 possible outcomes out of 36, and therefore NS probability will be equal to 10 by 36. Probability will be equal to 10 by 36. It is not N, it is a P. Probability P x is equal to 1. Now when two dice will show 6 when both the dice having 6 and 6. That is the only one time out of 36. Therefore, the probability is 1 by 36. Then, the required probability distribution from equation 1, 2 and 3, from equation 1, 2 and 3, we get Px 25 by 36, 10 by 36, 1 by 36. For number of 6's 0, 1 and 2. This is the distribution of probability or probability distribution. Now from above two examples, it is clear that if the random variable x takes the values x1, x2, x3, xn, then each probabilities will be greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 1, and summation is equal to 1. Summation of p of x, xi, I is equal to 1 to n is equal to 1. One more example, given below is the probability distribution of x 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and their corresponding probabilities are given k, 2k, 4k, 2k and k, and we have to find k, probability x greater than or equal to 2, probability x less than 3 and probability x less than or equal to 1. Such problem for 3 marks. Then first we are writing Px is the probability distribution. Px is the probability distribution. Therefore, summation is equal to 1. Summation is equal to 1. That means Px x equal to 0, Px x is equal to 1, plus Px x is equal to 2, plus Px x is equal to 3, plus Px x is equal to 4. All the probabilities total is equal to 1. Therefore, k plus 2k plus 4k plus 2k plus k is equal to 1. Therefore, 10k is equal to 1. Therefore, k is equal to 0.1, 1 by 10. Now, when p of x greater than or equal to 2, p of x greater than or is equal to 2, then greater than or equal to 2 means we have to consider 2, 3 and 4. That is the px is equal to 2, px is equal to 3 and px is equal to 4. That is 4k plus 2k plus k. 4k plus 2k plus k, that is equal to 7k. Therefore, the answer is 0.7 probability. Now, px less than 3. Less than 3 means 2, 1 and 0. That is px is equal to 2, px is equal to 1, px is equal to 0. That is a 4k plus 2k plus k. That is equal to again 7k. That is equal to 7 into 0.1, 0.7. And last question is find p of x less than or equal to 0. That means 1 and 0, 2k plus k. That is equal to 3k. That is equal to 3 into 0.1 is equal to 0.3. Answer. Is it understood? Write down again in the classwork notebook. Thank you.